channel, please like and subscribe. And yeah, and share with your friends if you like our video. Okay, my username is Lexi. And here we go. Whoosh. I like skipping because it's fun. It just looks like you're flying or something like that. So yeah. This game's kind of glitchy sometimes if you try to, oh look. I'm gonna fall into the pool first. Ooh. I got first place. Okay, next round. Stupid ads. Okay. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh, dang it. I like killing people, you know? You can do that. Oh, wait. Dang it, I haven't killed anyone yet. There we go. And you also have these like little boost thingies that you can have that help you. And yeah. Boom, see, I just skipped like so much. Yeah. Okay. Boom, I made it again. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a nice day. And yeah, please subscribe and like and comment which video game I should play next on my phone. I have a lot of them. Okay, thank you. Bye.